All right, my people, my people, my people. It's Saturday the 22nd, and yesterday we had a major drop in the market. Everybody was panicking. Today we're checking what's up. Let's go. Yo, this is Jay Real from Free Minds coming to y'all with a crypto market mashup. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take anything I say as financial advice. This is strictly my own thoughts and analysis on the market. If you want to learn more about crypto, DeFi, and the metaverse from some of the best in the business, check out the link below. All right, so to know where we're going, we need to know where we're at. And where we're at is what we're gonna find out right now. Let's do this. Let's start with a macro perspective. Y'all know I like to start with a macro perspective, and let's run Fibonacci from all the way down, from the bottom to all the way up. When we do that, what we immediately see is that Bitcoin has done a major drawback right back into the sweet spot zone. What's the sweet spot zone? The sweet spot zone is the zone where a lot of buyers, in this case, be accumulating, where people be looking for buys. And in this case, I have boxed in this area. The sweet spot area is between the 50% retracement and the 61.8% retracement on Fibonacci. Let's take away the Fibonacci. The area is boxed in. Let's remove Fibonacci from here, and let's pull a smaller Fibonacci from the last wave, from this last major wave that we had. Take it from the lowest point to the highest point, and what do we got? All right, so the sweet spot zone is up here. That's not important for us right now, right? But what's important for us is this area. This is the demand zone. And as you see, the demand zone, first off, is between the 78.6% retracement until 88.6% retracement. So it's this whole area here. Boom. All right. And what's very interesting in this case is, first off, as you can see, the market came down and rejected the bottom of the demand zone. It came down, boom, 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 and it rejected it. And it's testing it right now. And another very important thing, very interesting thing is that the sweet spot zone, the yellow zone, and the demand zone, the red box zone, are overlapping. As you see here, it's overlapping. That is very strong. That makes this zone, this whole area, very strong. So what kind of conclusion does that give us? Well, in this case, you can't say much more than that the area right here, and especially here where both those zones are overlapping, that is a very strong area. It's a very strong buyers area where a lot of buyers be accumulating. And think about it yourself. If you wasn't in Bitcoin already or in crypto, and you see this big drop here, boom, you wanted to go in, but you couldn't because the price was already so high. You thought it was overpriced. All right, so then you see this big drop all the way here. Well, if I had money, I would buy. And I can bet you that a lot of people think like that, and a lot of whales, institutions think like that, and they will accumulate, but they will wait first to see what the market does down here. And what I think it will do is actually consolidate for a while, move sideways for a while, inside this area. It might break up a little bit to the upside, test this support, test this resistance area, break back down, wick down a little bit, but it will stay in this area for, I would say, at least a month. I think at least a bit into February before we see the market start moving up. I don't think it's going to break lower than this. Honestly, I don't think it's going to break lower than this. I don't think it's going to break below. Wait, let me just delete this doodling. And I don't think the market is going to break below this area. It might wick down, sure, but it's not going to stay down there. All right. So I think this is the last part, and I'm gonna show you guys another thing. Why I think this is the last station for Bitcoin on its descending journey. Look at the extended Fibonacci. If I pull it from here, from the top to the bottom of that swing, of the first drop, which is down here, right? This is the Fibonacci extended tool. Look where Bitcoin rejected. Bam. If I go down to the daily time frame, or even to the 4 hour time frame, you see that Bitcoin is getting a lot of resistance in the area from the extension level. So with that said, right now we don't know too much. We never know what the market's gonna do, but right now we cannot even estimate very well what the next move for the market is. So with that said, I'm gonna end this brief TA here, and I'll see you guys next time.